Friends, believe ko mumeze neza mwese mukomeje gukurikira KTV Skills. Muri akanya tugiye kurebera hamwe bamwe mu bakobwa beza baba perezida bayobora ibihugu muri East Africa. Ni urutonde twifashishije turebye ku bwiza bwa buri mukobwa w'umuperezida uwo mutarasangamo ubwo mumenye ko atahakandagira. Ni abakobwa beza kabisa, kwibutsa gukora subscribe, like, share ndetse na comment nze turebere hamwe abakobwa beza b'abakuru b'ibihugu muri East Africa. Ku mwanya wa kane w'umukobwa mwiza turasanga Wanu Hafid Amela, umukobwa wa perezida wa Tanzania Samia Suluhu Hassan, perezida wa gatandatu wa Tanzania.
Also a politician and a member of the Chama cha Mapinduzi. Born in 1952, she attended
Uyu mukobwa akaba yaravutse mu 1992. Mu bazi kubara neza imyaka ye muhite muyitirika muri komenti.
Rwanda Secondary School.
Akaba yarize kabisa muri Tanzania amashuri ye abanza ndetse n'ayisumbuye.
With a relationship
Nta rukundo arimo, nta n'umugabo afite. Uno mukobwa kabisa mwiza nawe w'umwisilamu. Ku mwanya wacu wa gatatu w'abakobwa beza ba perezida muri East Africa turasanga Sharon Ruto, umukobwa wa perezida wa Kenya. Sharon Ruto
and the First Lady Rachel Ruto, born in 1993 in Nairobi.
Muri Kenya kabisa, ubwo hari mu 1993. Uyu mukobwa mwiza cyane ku buranga kabisa, amasuri ye abanza ndetse n'ayisumbuye yize muri Kenya, hanyuma
Kenya,
aya kaminuza ayakomereza hanze y'igihugu aho yahakuye bachelor's degrees muri mass communication ndetse akanabona masters mu bijyanye na business management.
co-curricular
Ni
activities.
umukobwa
She
kandi
holds a
ufite
bachelor's
ubundi
degree
bumenyi
in mass
bwihariye
communication.
ku bijyanye na global market cyangwa se ubucuruzi bwagutse, ndetse akaba afite n'ubundi bumenyi bwihariye mu bya relationship cyangwa se imibanire n'abandi babandi bita
From University
abakansara.
and a Masters of
Ni
Business
umukobwa
Administration and
utarigeze
Hospitality
avugwa
from
mu
Les
rukundo
Roches
n'umuhungu
International
n'umwe
School
cyangwa
of
se
Hotel.
ngo ubu habe hari uwo bari kuvugana babe babana. Uyu nawe ni umwe mu bakobwa dusanze kuri uyu mwanya wacu wa gatatu mu bakobwa ba
She
perezida
specialized in digital marketing
beza
and public
kurunza
relations and
abandi
gathered
muri
valuable
East
experience in the
Africa.
global hospitality
Ura
industry.
subscribe
Charlotte
rero
is currently
ubundi
single,
nze
though she has
tukomeze
dated
tumanuka tureba n'abandi bakobwa beza bakurikiraho. Ese waba uri kwibaza ninde urakurikiraho, ninde wa mbere?
having a past
Ndakumara
relationship.
amatsiko, ariko nawe wakandika muri comment turi kumwe, kavuga ati turi kumwe, ubundi nkaza nkomeza mbakugezaho without any cost. Ku mwanya wa kabiri ku rutonde rw'abakobwa b'abakuru b'igihugu beza kurenza abandi turasanga Natasha Museveni, umukobwa wa perezida wa Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Akaba yaramubyaranye n'uwo bita Janet Museveni, akaba yaravukiye mu gihugu cya Uganda. Uyu ni umukobwa wize amashuri ye abanza ndetse n'ayisumbuye mu gihugu cya Uganda, ariko kaminuza akayigira i London mu Bwongereza. Ni umwe mu bakobwa bakuze cyane, dore ko kuri ubu afite hafi y'imyaka 48 y'amavuko. Akaba ari umukobwa ufite umugabo babana nk'umugore n'umugabo kabisa, umugabo uzobereye mu by'amategeko cyane. Uwo yari ku mwanya wacu wa kabiri, kanze tujye ku mwanya wacu wa mbere. Ange Kagame, perezida w'igihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda, niwe
The
dusanga
daughter
ku
of
mwanya
the sixth
wacu
president
wa
of
mbere
the Republic of
w'abakobwa
Rwanda, Paul
beza
Kagame.
b'abaperezida
She was
muri
born
East
in
Africa.
1993 in Brussels,
Yavukiye i
Belgium,
Buruseli
to
mu
her father,
Bubiligi mu
Paul
mwaka
Kagame,
w'igihumbi
and
magana
the
cyenda
first
mirongo
lady,
icyenda na
Janet
gatatu.
Nyiramongi. Due to security
Abyagwa na
and privacy
Jeannette
reasons,
Kagame
she was
ndetse na
absent
perezida
from the
Paul
public
Kagame.
eye for most of her
Ni umukobwa wize amashuri kabisa, akigira hanze muri kaminuza zigiye zikomeye nko muri Amerika. Akaba yaraminuje mu bya politics and science.
childhood. She completed education
Umukobwa
abroad
ufite
and
umugabo
attended Smith
kugeza ku
College, where she majored
bwitange
in
ngo
political
bahaberesitira,
science
bakaba
and a
bafitanye
minor
abana babiri b'abakobwa kabisa. umukobwa uzi kuvuga neza indimi eshatu adategwa Icyongereza, Igifaransa
African
ndetse
Studies. Ange
n'Ikinyarwanda.
Kagame speaks 3 languages
Ni
fluently:
umwe mu
English,
bakobwa rero beza dusanze kuri uyu mwanya wacu wa mbere, umukobwa
Kinyarwanda
uzi
and French.
gukina
She
basket
is the
neza
only
ndetse
daughter
akaba ari
of
n'umufana
President Paul Kagame
w'akadosohoka w'ikipe ya Arsenal, akaba afite basaza
and
be
her three
bagera kuri
brothers.
batatu
In
kabisa.
2014,
Niwe
she
mukobwa
accompanied
kumva
her father,
perezida
President
Paul
Paul
Kagame
Kagame, to a dinner
muramubona
at the
hano,
White House.
yari ari na Kagame hariya muri Amerika kumwe na perezida Barack Obama wahoze ayobora United States of America. Thank you for watching this video. Naho utacaho
Hosted
Imana
by the former US
ibarinde
President
ibiganiro
Barack
nk'ibi
Obama.
na
She is a
kagaruka.
basketball and a football fan and supports the Arsenal Football Club.